Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Jafar Sheikh Abdullah and I am graduating in Government First Grade College, Chikbadapur. Ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem is nothing but a community of a group of living organisms that live in and interact with each other in a specific environment. Ecosystem restoration is nothing but assisting the recovery of ecosystem that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystem that are still intact. Well, there are many type of ecosystem like terrestrial, forest, aquatic, grassland and tundra ecosystem. Well, as being a students, we can reduce this ecosystem by repairing and replanting the wetlands, creek beds, forest lands and other habitat, eradicating an invasive species, replacing the turf grass with a native species. The main goal of restoration is to initiate the recovery of ecosystem that has been disturbed. Well, nature helps us find peace and growth, so restore ecosystem to save our planet. Our environment is the most important aspect to survive on this planet. We cannot survive a single day without it. It is the only thing that can make a life sustainable. Thus, it is important that we should take care of our ecosystem, and it is abundant of all exploitation that we are causing. Exploitation the ecosystem is assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded or destroyed. Bigger yields of timber and fish and larger stores of greenhouse gases restoring can happen in many ways, through actively planting and by removing the pressure so that nature can recover on its own. Stopping pollution is the best solution. Ecosystem restoration is still developing project in India with a limited number of practice and the projects. Most initiatives are small and site specific. World Environment Day is not only the celebration like taking a pictures and posting in Instagram or Facebook. No, it's not only that. World Environment Day celebration is that we have to plant a tree and take care of a plant that should become a big and huge tremendous tree. Well, the famous women, we can take an example as the famous women Salu Marada Timmakka, who had actively participated in all the initiatives and all the programs. Well, she had planted about approximately 9,000 of plants, which is unbelievable. So why can't we give a bit of contribution towards the nature like her? And she's worthy that she had awarded with a many prestigious award. So I blow you, please give a contribution towards the nature, save earth, save environment. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity.